Hey, how are you? My name is Jonathan. I am with Rene Munoz Plastering, and today we're in beautiful Westchester, PA. I was driving by this property that we did last season, I believe, where we did the stucco remediation of the entire property. We did install a stucco over the chimneys, and we also installed James Hardy fiber cement siding over the entire property. There's some lap siding and there's some boards and batten siding, okay? But I want you to see all of the details. I want you to see all of the flashings that we have. We have a Kika flashing divider there. We have a Kika flashing divider there. We have flashings everywhere is needed. Take a look over there. Whenever we do an stucco remediation, we make sure that it's done properly. We don't cut corners. We need to make sure that this is not going to happen again. We need to make sure that it's not going to leak. We need to make sure that it's not only going to look good, we need to make sure that it's going to work as it should. Take a look to all of the fascia and everything. Everything is where it's supposed to be. We have all of the flashings, whatever is needed. Whatever stucco meets the suffix, we came up with something simple, but also something that works, which is a whipscrete. So I mean, everything, all of the water that is coming from upstairs is pretty much going over the stucco and is drainable. Okay. The texture of the stucco also, the customer, I think that they made the right choice with that texture. To me, it looks beautiful. Over here, we also fix the issues that they had with their porch back deck. Everything, the inside, you can tell that we did boards and battens on the inside. You can take a look to the detail on the ASHAC trim. We need to make sure that whenever we're doing an stucco remediation, take a look to the railing and everything. Once again, we have a Kika flashing divider there. We have the stucco over here. We also have the trim between the stucco and the siding. We have a Kika flashing divider with the chimney shoulder. That's something important, and that's something that some people don't pay attention to it. So yeah, you need a Kika flashing divider there, even if the chimney is made out of cinder block, okay? We also have a Kika flashing divider on the top. Take a look to the distance of the gutter from the chimney to the gutter. That's also another problem. Many people install the gutters very, very tight to the wall, and that's not something that is correct. Take a look to the stucco chimney right here. It looks beautiful. The texture, simple yet effective. Okay. Kika flashing divider there. Kika flashing divider there. Everywhere we need a flashing. Everywhere we need something to shed water away, we need it, and we have it here. Okay. Take a look, Kika flashing divider there. Take a look to the blockings on the wherever we have a penetration through the wall. We need to have a blocking with a drip cap flashing or C flashing to make sure that we don't have any water issues. Let me show you over here. Same thing. Boards and battens. We have the flashing between the roof and the stucco and the siding, the flashing over the window, flashing between panels of boards and battens. We have the trim, we have the stucco over there. Everywhere we need a flashing, we have it, and that's how it's supposed to be done. We need to make sure when we do a stucco remediation, we need to make sure that it's not only gonna look good, it's gonna look right and it's gonna work. Take a look over here. We have the trim. You're not supposed to have fiber cement siding against any cementitious material. So yeah, that's why we have the ASHAC trim, okay? So yeah, it's a beautiful project, it's a beautiful house. Just was talking with the customer and they're 100% happy. Like I said, we did this project I believe last season, 2 seasons ago. And it looks outstanding. I really love the way it's looking right now. Thank you. For any stucco remediation, any stone remediation, any siding remediation, stucco installation, stucco repair, siding repair, anything as far as just exteriors, feel free to call us. 261-656-2461, or log on to our website at www.muñozplastering.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.